This is the backyard, our new home for a month. That's the Okanagan. Pretty spectacular view. These are the orchards. This one over here as well. And these are the, that's a herb garden. And this is the veggie garden that we still need to plant a bit. We got plums, peaches, apricots, a couple other things. Butterflies. There's lots of ravens out here. You can see down there, that's the teepee and the trailer. Gosh, it's so pretty. I don't know what that is. Crabapple? I don't know. Probably won't be while we're here that these guys ripen, but today we've been working on the strawberry bushes. This is the fruit garden. And so our beautiful little baby strawberries we've been harvesting. There's lots that are ready because it's so hot here. It's plus 30, 34 it's been. It's not terrible. I guess these ones would probably be the peaches. They're fuzzy. We have some chickens in there. Haven't really met them yet. Some more veggies down in this garden. And lots of wild poppies. Really cool. This be the burn pit. Burn all the garbage, compost everything. Those are the solar panels. There's behind the solar panels is a trampoline, and on the bottom of it, it's all caged in, and they're gonna put their chickens in that area so they can rotate where the chickens are, so the chickens will just eat all the grass and all the little larvae and stuff within. And you can move them wherever you please. It's just easy farming. And that way you don't have to use pesticides or anything, they're just getting rid of it. This is our little shack for shower and washroom use. They have water in the barrels up there. You turn on this guy here to use the sink. And then you can switch it over and use the shower. And in this area, there's the composting toilet. And it is literally the best view. Sitting on the throne. Allison said that there are lots of bears around here, especially in berry season. So that could be interesting. This is the teepee. It actually has a couple rotten wooden poles, so we're planning on taking it down this week, repairing it and putting it back up. It is so beautiful. There's a ravine on this side, and on the other side actually. It's like we're at the top of a mountain. You can't quite see it, but you can hear it. And this is our custom coach. Little beauty. We've only been in here for a night, so we haven't really gotten it set up to what we would like yet, but just a little living space. It's not hooked up, it's off grid right now, but just a little bed. What did I come in here for? Cookies. Let me bring some cookies up and something else. Bread. Okay, so that's probably about everything for this little tour. This beautiful, beautiful land that we're going to be spending our time on for the next month. Wanted to share it with you. Oh! This thing out here, I forgot to tell you, is the Lavender Labyrinth. So there's different types of lavenders that are planted throughout it, and you follow in a clockwise direction one type of lavender, then you go on to the next type, then the next type, then the next type. So it takes quite a long time to go into the center. And so it's almost a meditative thing. That's what a labyrinth is about. I have yet to do the meditative side of things, but we're going to be upkeeping it and making it look a little prettier. It's another one of our jobs. There's lots of ravens here. It is called Ravensview Farm, so. Okay, bye.